You must be here for the empty house tour. Come on in. All right guys, welcome to my house. Okay, so as you guys know, I've been posting about my housing journey, trying to find a house in Dallas, Texas. I just moved back literally less than a week and a half ago. I purchased this house and I'm living with one roommate. Yes, I am. Her name is Madison Pruitt. You guys will meet her later, but I already announced it on Instagram and everything. But I purchased this house. She's renting for me, but we are decorating this house together. And a lot of you guys have been like, show us your empty house tour. So today is the day. Now, it's not completely empty because we obviously had to move in and we had some furniture, but for the most part, most of my stuff is not here. It's still being shipped back from LA. So this is what we have for now. So I'm gonna show you guys the full tour of the house. Stay tuned for more. Make sure you subscribe if you're new here because I'm gonna be showing you guys updates of like how we're decorating, furniture, renovations, all things like that. So stay tuned for that. But for now, let me show you guys my house. Okay, you guys, so first of all, this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house, or 3.5 bathroom, or I guess 2.5, because one doesn't have a shower. You guys will see. But here we are at the front door. I love this front door. And then you enter in here and we added this little table, which this is all, again, everything is very to be determined. Like this is just preliminary decorations, but you walk in here and this is what it looks like. And it's a very big open concept house. So over here, obviously we have my backyard, but we're gonna probably add the dining room table here. We just built this desk here the other day. It's gonna go in the office, but for now we just put it here. So they have a fireplace over here, which this fireplace is a little bit of an awkward spot. I kind of wish it were like right there, but you can't have it all, can you? But overall, I'm still very, very happy with this house. Like literally all the things I wanted on my checklist, God gave me in this house. I'm very, very happy with it. One thing also that I did do before I moved in is I painted the whole interior white. White just looks good on camera. I know how YouTuber of me, but I painted everything white and I love the way it looks. So over here, like I said, we have my fireplace. To the left of it is our backyard, which is a very good size. I'll show you guys that in a second, but we're getting landscaping done today because lots of leaves back there. Now, my most favorite part of this house is the kitchen. Come on over. Here's the kitchen, and I love it. This is like one of my favorite parts of it because I just can picture, you know, people gathering around this island and hanging out and just community and great chats and prayers and just so many things around this island. But I love this kitchen. I've always wanted a really big island. So I love this. So come on over here. So over here is the coffee corner. I actually added this to the house. That we did not have this before. So we just have some like mugs and stuff in here. Like I said, everything's very empty. My stuff is being shipped from LA. It's getting here on the 16th, which today is Friday the 12th. But I added this little thing. We got it custom designed. I also changed the backsplash. The backsplash was this like wacky gray tile. It just didn't look cute, personally, in my opinion. And I wanted everything to be bright and white. So added that. Next is this portion of the kitchen, which I just love. I love. It's big, it's spacious, it's open. And I think this is actually kind of nice right here. I like this. Like, I like to turn the lights on and off here. And like I said, this is just a gathering area for the kitchen. Okay, so over in this portion of the house, we have our refrigerator, which is from Hisense, and it's sold exclusively at Lowe's, but we love it because it's such a beautiful refrigerator. It's very seamless and timeless, and it's just a gorgeous refrigerator. I know that sounds weird, but it really is. So here's the inside, and it has 6 adjustable shelves, so you can just adjust these however you want. So if you need to fit different things, you can adjust that, which is really nice. The water dispenser is in here, which provides nice, cold, filtered water. And it's just overall really nice. And you can also adjust things up here. And then down here, you might be wondering, well, where's your ice then? It's down here. And this is also great for meal prepping because you can fit a bunch of different things in this refrigerator. Ice buckets down here. There's enough space in this refrigerator for a lot of family members if you want to have a fully stocked refrigerator or a freezer. There's just so much room and it's just so nice. And it can fit into any kitchen and it's just overall a great refrigerator. And it gives you a premium looking refrigerator without the premium price tag. So thank you so much to Hisense for giving this to us, and check it out, guys. Link down below. All right, on to the rest. Okay, so over here is the pantry, which again, like I said, everything is being worked on. So right now it looks like this, but we're gonna get it completely like decorated and organized and everything. So Stay tuned to see that transformation on my Instagram or my vlog channel. But as of right now, it just looks like that. So out of sight, out of mind. So next is the laundry room, which is right by the pantry, and we're also gonna add, or I'm gonna add, so the thing is, it is my house, so I'm the one like adding all the renovations. Maddie's renting from me, so I'm responsible for buying the washer and the dryer and doing all the extra little things, but totally fine because, you know, I bought the house. But anyway, so we're gonna add some custom shelving up here soon, and that way we can store all of our stuff up there. And then come around this corner. So here's the guest bathroom. It's tiny, but it's perfect for guests to come and just use this, so they don't have to use ours if they don't want to or anything, but there is no shower in here, so this is just a half bath. But I love that I have this so guests feel comfortable, you know, doing whatever they need to do in a separate bathroom. So I like that there's a separate bathroom in here. And next to the washer and dryer is our garage. It's a 2-car garage. It's a little messy, as you guys can see, but once we get this cleaned out, it's really nice that we have a garage. Like, it's nice having a big garage. We're probably gonna put some custom shelving in here as well so we can have more storage, but I have a garage. Like, I'm like a full-grown adult. I'm like, oh my gosh. It's crazy to think about that, but I'm really happy we have one. All right, back to the living room. Okay, so now we're back in the kitchen, like I said, so we go over here, and this is where we're gonna most likely have our TV and a very big white section. So like I said, we still have boxes, we're still setting things up and everything. Right now we're using our patio furniture as our couch, but hey, it works. So this is where the couch is gonna be most likely. We're probably gonna have some big black bookshelves here, like glass bookshelves. So like I said, it's a very open concept floor plan, everything, but I really, really like it. So now let's go to the bedrooms. So now we're in the hallway, and one thing about homeowning is you have to be aware that like little random things pop up all the time, like little annoying things. So part of our floor started lifting, so if you see that, it's because it's getting fixed today, but just ignore that. So over here we have our coat closet, and some reason Maddie and I coordinated. I don't know how we did that, but we have clearly only black and tan jackets, but it looks good in here, it looks good together. So that's our coat closet, which we definitely need. It does actually get pretty cold here in Texas. So then you come down this hallway, and this is our guest room. Okay, so this is the first room to the left of the hallway. This is our guest room. So this is gonna be our guest room slash like a separate hangout room. Like if you ever want like your own little privacy, like, cause the main hall or the main living room space is very big. So we're gonna put another TV in here, a pull-out couch for guests, and then Maddie's also gonna have a desk in here for herself. And then we're also utilizing this closet for her. This is Maddie's second closet. So I have a bigger closet, so I'm giving her 2 as well, so she can have enough space for herself to live comfortably. So this is our guest room. Now come this way. Across the hallway is Maddie's room. So again, nothing's done. This is Maddie's room for now. So we're sleeping on like mattresses. I'm on an air mattress. So this is Maddie's room, and she has a closet right here as well, which looks like that. She's a very organized girl, which I actually really like. And then to the left is her bathroom, so you guys can come in here. Bathroom, and it's like a single sink thing in here. It's like a shower bath combo, which is really nice. It's like a marble background, which I'll show y'all. It's a nice little sliding door. This nice little marble tile. My favorite part about her bathroom, personally, I wish my bathroom had this, is this light up mirror. The house came with that. The lighting is just so nice here. Like, I'm thinking about getting the same mirror in my bathroom. So then this is a Jack and Jill bathroom, so this connects to the office. So come on through. Okay, so through the bathroom is my office. This is gonna be my filming room, podcast studio, and we'll do like photos in here and stuff like that. So we wanna make this room really cute. As you can see, it's just a mess right now. Like, there's nothing cute about it. So can't wait to show you guys what that looks like and everything, but this is the office. And across from the office is my bedroom. So come on through. And again, really quickly, this is the hallway. So you guys can see the layout. It's a hallway. And now you go into my room, which is the master. So I have a lighting in here because it's kind of dark. Okay, so come on in. So this is my room, and I'm also thinking, which is so fun about owning a house, is you can just do whatever you want. I'm probably gonna just copy and paste a window right there. So yeah, so over here I have my closet, which I'll show you guys. You can just take a peek into there. And there's no bars in there yet, so we need to hang up some bars. So that is my closet, and then my bathroom is over here. So here is my bathroom, and I absolutely love it. Now again, I'm probably gonna do some custom storage in here as well, but yeah, we have this marble counter. It's a double sink, which is nice because whenever I have guests over, I want them to feel like they can make themselves at home, so my guests will be able to use this sink. So I love it. There's a great amount of storage. I love this shower. Just look at this thing. I love it. I love the tile so much. It's so pretty, and I love like all the dark, what is it called? Finishes? I like all the darker finishes. I think that's a really nice touch. So that's my shower, very happy with that. So over here is my toilet, and again, don't have a trash can, don't really have anything. I'm going to also add here custom storage because I really feel like I need more. So I'm gonna have this for like towels and stuff like that. So I'm gonna add some stuff up here very, very soon. So stay tuned to see the before and after of all of those custom little things I'm gonna be doing. If you go back this way, here's another closet, which is nice. So I get more storage in here, which I really, really appreciate. So I can literally walk in here, which is nice. But I just have like random little extra products in here that I like, that I'm using, that I brought back with me from LA. So I have some towels in here and heating tools and stuff. So honestly, I think the one thing this house kind of lacks a little bit is storage. So the more storage we can add, the better. So now I go back out this way. And again, we're back in my room. And then you go walk down the hallway back to the main area, and that is my house. And I'll show you guys really quickly the backyard. Okay, so here's the backyard. It's a very good sized backyard. We plan on doing like a bonfire pit. We're gonna put the patio chairs like underneath here. We have string lights there already that we're gonna hang up very, very soon. Landscaping comes today, which is weird, like being an adult again and owning a home. I'm like, I have to get landscaping, like what the heck? But it's kind of fun, to be honest. So this is our backyard. It's a really fun size, and who knows what else we'll do with it, but for now we're gonna start with a bonfire pit and adding some chairs here. So that's the backyard. And again, this is everything. So there it is. There's the kitchen, future living room area, front door, and everything. One last thing that I really, really, really love about this home is the high ceilings right here. I love that it just adds more space and it doesn't make the room look as crammed. So I really like that there's like a high ceiling, and it just makes the room feel bigger and more airy. So love that. Okay, so that is my empty house tour, you guys. It might not be exactly what you were expecting, but overall I'm very happy with it. I'm very proud of myself for purchasing a house. Like, that was a really big step for me, and it's honestly scary. It's a lot of work. It's a very, very, very big commitment, and I just feel like I'm ready for it at this point in my life. And so stay tuned for more updates on how we decorate, what other changes we make. So make sure you're subscribed to my vlog channel, Jeanine TV. My Instagram is Jeanine Amapola, and I will show my roommate whenever she gets back. She's out right now. All right, everybody, my roommate is back.
I'm
Miss
here.
Maddie P.
Yay!
We're freaking roommates.
We're roommates.
How's it been?
It's honestly been amazing.
It's been really freaking fun.
It's been the best thing ever. Like,
Yeah.
I couldn't imagine being here and like not having a roommate.
Honestly, same. Moving back, and I was thinking about like living in a house by myself, and I was like, that doesn't sound enjoyable at all. It's been fun because we get to like make sure each other's okay, and we decorate together and shop together, and it's
All
really
the fun things. We're never alone, which is a good time.
I like that a lot. It's weird because I came from living alone for 2 years now to having someone, and I'm like, wait.
Yeah.
But it's like really nice. There's always someone there.
Yay.
We love it. I am just stoked to finally show it to you guys because I shared my process with you guys for so long of like it being so difficult to find a house. This literally was like favor from the Lord. I cannot even tell you, like it truly, truly was. So I'm very, very thankful for it. But thank you guys for being a part of the process with me, a part of the journey, encouraging me, being there for me, caring and everything. It means the world to me. And stay tuned for more updates. And that's it for now. Bye guys.